Twin Structures has grown into a fully integrated firm that provides structural, architectural, interior design, value engineering, fit-out, and project management services on a variety of high-profile building projects. Twin Structures has consistently exceeded the client's expectations and delivered full fit-out and interior design, high-end renovation service, high-quality projects, on time and within budget, while offering a positive return on the client's investments by prioritizing the client's commercial and residential objectives and adopting policy of complete transparency and professional integrity as one of Pakistan's top interior and fit-out companies.